Not only is the state rolling out its plan tonight, each individual county also is unveiling how it plans to handle this unprecedented campaign. Our Grant Herms is live this evening with the very latest on how Macomb County is handling its vaccination plan. Grant.
Well, good evening. One of the most important parts of making sure the vaccine gets out to the people who need it is making sure that county health departments have the space and, more importantly, storage. And today, Macomb County says they think they're ready.
When we get the vaccine, we will be able to go ahead and, if you will, immunize and distribute that.
Today, Macomb County Executive Mark Hackle announcing his county is ready to receive its first batch of COVID-19 vaccines.
It's anticipated possibly next week. We think there may be that very first shipment somewhere in the, I guess, if you will, Bill's going to get nervous me saying this, but about 1,000 vials.
Macomb also saying it's ready to store vaccines as well after purchasing 3 super cold freezers with 2 more in the works to keep the Pfizer vaccine at Arctic-like conditions. Macomb plans to start with frontline workers and then later expand to other sites, hoping to be able to vaccinate upwards of 2,000 people a day by the spring of next year as testing continues.
Vaccines work, and this particular vaccine is going to be very important in getting to the level of preventing future infections of COVID-19.
In nearby Wayne and Oakland counties, officials there are also eagerly waiting the vaccine, neither releasing just how many doses they're expecting to get, but saying they're ready to follow state guidelines and start with frontline workers. Macomb County will also serve as a middleman for the smaller northern counties like LaPierre and St. Clair, which likely don't have the ability to store the vaccine. Today, one of the health officials from those counties saying the demand to get this right is crucial.
It's probably the largest lift vaccination process we've had in this country ever, and it's probably one of the most important.
A heavy lift to meet a great need.
Now, Macomb County was one of those areas that has struggled to follow COVID precautions and was labeled a hotspot for COVID-19 more than once over the course of the pandemic. The executive even saying today played into some of those fears surrounding the vaccine, as well as the worries that vaccination centers could be overrun by people looking for an end to this pandemic. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Grant.